In this video, we'll be learning about the slope intercept. Okay, so let's start with a graph. So right here, oh, that's not a good line. This is the y-axis, and right here is the x-axis. So we have this line that goes through the middle. Sorry. And right now the slope of this line is 1, because for every step that the line goes up, the line like moves right 1, 2. So therefore the slope will be 1. On this side, when the line is going up, this is called the rise, and when the line moves across the x-axis, this is called the run. So run and rise. So in relation to the slope intercept, so y equals mx plus b. M right here is a slope, and right now the slope is 1. So y equals mx plus b represents the y intercept, which is right here, is 0. So plus 0. Or simply put, to simplify this equation turns into y equals x. So what if the graph is turned around? It looks like this. So the rise is +1, but the run is -1. So how you calculate slope will be the rise over the run. So it'll be +1 over -1. So this overall becomes negative. So the slope becomes -1. So this slope intercept will be y equals -x plus b, which in this case is still 0 because this is at the origin. So if you were to simplify this equation, it would be y equals -x, and that's the answer. So let's say you have this equation, y equals 2x plus 3. How would that look on a graph? So first of all, you have your graph right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, So your y-intercept or your b will be 3. So it'll be at 3, 0. It's right here. So for area, so for the slope, it'll be the rise over 1. So right here, it'll be rise 2 over 1. So every 2 steps it go up, it'll move to the right once. It'll move to the right because this is a positive 2. If it's negative, it'll move to the left. So when you rise to, be 1, 2, and then run 1 right here. So your second point will be right here, and 1, 2, and then 1, your third point. So your graph will look something like this. So now let's go to like this area. So right here, we just count backwards. So 1, 2, 1. So you go to the left 1 because this is below the y-intercept. So 1, 2, 1. So when you graph this graph, y equals 2x plus 3, the graph should look something like this. But this isn't drawn to scale, so my graph isn't perfect.